Welcome back. Welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. So last Sunday, this is the Sunday after Easter Sunday, we finally made it to church. I've been saying we should go to church, but of course with Kenton's study schedule and work schedule, my editing schedule, staying up all night. Anyway, we're finally getting it together and I'm so happy.
A lot of history, yeah, you know, it's a lot of history.
It's a big church, boo.
Yeah.
Nana's going to church with us.
Morning, how you doing?
So you know that feeling when you're waiting to get into the sermon because you're a few minutes late. But it wasn't too bad. There were a lot of other people waiting with us. So we will get in and enjoy the service in a few minutes. So we finally made it to church. So Mommy, what did you think about church?
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's like the church in Queens, like I said.
Right.
Down the road, I walk from my house to it. Since I've been here.
Yeah, the most black people she's
Since I've been here.
Elvis movie soundtrack,
No black
and he
people
is
in my
picking some of his favorite Elvis tunes. You
Even though I
mentioned Blue
keep
Moon,
seeing
that's a
black
great
people
choice for a
come
song.
for
Always love a tune
interviewing or
Priscilla
looking
Reed,
at the
very
homes.
haunting sounding.
but they don't actually
I don't
end
know
up
how many
staying.
of them will buy, because
Right.
there's a whole new section coming in with 79 more homes. You know, so there a lot of people are coming to look at the clubhouse, to see all the amenities.
Right.
And even if they're black, are they going to, you know, utilize all the activities? Because I notice a lot of the blacks that are there now, I don't see them often.
Or maybe they're younger and still working.
Yes, they're working. That's the
Right,
thing.
they're still working, so they don't have
But two,
time.
well, at least one of them, she comes occasionally. She's the musician. She plays the flute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
It's because I've avoided just eating out in general. The Indian food from Sitar in Durham was quite good, and Nana and Kenton both got some dessert afterwards. So I'm in this beautiful boutique store, interior design store called Paysage. And this is the owner here, and I would love to see some of his unusual, interesting pieces because there's so many nice pieces in here. I don't even know where to start, so.
Well, welcome to Paysage. My name is Frank. This is a family business. My mom is really in charge.
Oh, really?
We have two stores. We have one store in Wilmington in Lumina Station, and we have one store here in Raleigh in North Hills. We sell furniture, we sell accessories, we sell fine gifts, we sell local art, and we sell, of course, furniture.
Wow.
We travel quite a bit between between Europe, between the US. Of course, we go to High Point as well, and we try to always find things that can satisfy everybody, but also be very different. I think this entry table, console table is pretty
Very unusual.
very unusual. We got this from France last year. We were at the Maison et Objet in Paris, the furniture show. We go there every year. It's in September.
Is it made out of wood, or what is it made out of?
You could call this some type of wood veneer, but mostly with cardboard as well. It's something that you put together, so it comes all separated, and then just like a jigsaw,
okay.
you actually
Right.
together.
Cool.
So this is very interesting as well. We go into the antique with maybe the clock that you see at the back.
Right.
I am very happy also to have pieces like this. The human animal.
Very whimsical and fun, yeah.
Exactly.
I like that bunny in the back too.
That's right. And then we work with Lee furniture, so we do have some nice sofas. You see the sectional over there. Miss Pavio and all the napkins.
I didn't even see that. I collect
French,
these.
French napkins.
Yeah, I collect these.
Cocktail size and dinner size. This is the best.
That's
of the best.
classic.
I mean,
It's beautiful. A modern take on the classic.
Yeah, and you know, we always have different ones coming in. A lot of people like our guineas, made in the south of France, made by hand.
Oh, guinea fowls.
That's right. Different size, different colors, different finish. This is very, very successful.
I grew up in Africa with guinea fowls.
Yeah,
I know them.
So head down, medium, large size, head up. I mean, there's a whole different collection that you can actually start getting.
Wow, so pretty.
And of course, local artists, like I said, we only work with local artists. Amy Gawida is one of our top artists, and every painting that she does really represents the state and the region. And,
so that's North Carolina?
That would be, yeah,
yeah,
it's around here somewhere, but it's the wallpaper as well we do, and we introduce.
I love this little setup because I love everything young and youthful and
Claris is
I don't know anything about Claris.
Well, Claris is, where is Claris? So you take this book and it's a little bit so you have to find her in the page.
Is it a French?
It's in English, but so can you see 3 wedges of cheese? So you have to try to find them. Can you see a red handbag? So you have to find that.
And she's got a Chanel tote. I see that.
You see, I mean, you know, Joe and Chanel are there.
Yeah.
Now you're looking for this. You know, so it's a fun book. It's
cool.
The design or the drawings are so beautiful. It's really
and the actual bench that it's sitting on, some sort of mohair or.
There we go. And olive wood from Provence, from the south of France, for the kitchen. So you see, we try to have a little bit of everything. In order to make sure that everybody.
All these silver or pewter. Is that what you call it? Pewter or this metal? I'm not sure. Yeah. Sure if it's pewter or silver, but they're very pretty for the table, right?
Yeah, for sure. Your picks for.
What are the picks for?
Well, anything, you know, that if you have a cheese plate.
Oh, okay.
You need to grab some pieces of cheese or anything. Those are like just little picks that you.
Okay.
Everybody can grab.
Salt and pepper shakers,
shakers.
turtles, olive wood.
So Raleigh is a little bit smaller than Wilmington, but Wilmington is a great store. Station.
We've never been to Wilmington, right, Ken? Never been there.
Yeah.
We have? Oh, for 4th of July. Oh, okay, cool.
A little seaport with the different shops and stuff.
Wow, I can't believe it's been 13 years. Oh my goodness, the kids were so young. Yes, we went to Wilmington. Of course we did.
Is there a beach down there?
It's recording, you know. This thing can do like videos. Kind of odd. Know that. 4th of July. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Ooh.
Let's see. It's the Ugly Wama's picture. What's that in the plate?
Fries and a hot dog.
Give Blummy a kiss.
What? Oh, man.
Wow, it's amazing how much our children have changed over the years. 13 years, and now we have a college grad. Khalid is going to med school, and I can't believe it. It's just, with a blink of an eye, they're all grown. Kareem is graduating. There's Khalid and Uncle Bashir and I last Christmas. Saucy Lips Miriam is now kind of grown. She definitely has a very strong sense of opinion and purpose. But yeah, so much has happened in this 13 years. Wow. Anyway, I could go on and on and on, and that's not the video. This is not the video for this, but let's go back to our beautiful store.
Are you on Main Street? Are you in?
I am in Lumina Station. I'm between. I'm right before Wrightsville Beach.
Okay, so he's.
There's a French restaurant over there that is really good. That is called Brasserie Le Soleil.
Okay.
I'm right next to it.
Oh.
The same owners that own Coquette here.
We were just there.
You were at Coquette?
Yeah, we just went there.
We just went to book a reservation for May 6th graduation.
Okay, well,
So,
you
yeah.
see, well, next time you go to to Wilmington, you look for Brasserie Le Soleil, and we are right next to it.
Don't these look real? This looks real, right?
This looks real, but it's not.
So if people are interested in your pieces, besides your stores, you have a website?
There's a website where you can go and see most of the things. Now we have so many new
here's
items every time that not
Right,
everything
it's
might be
constantly
uploaded.
changing.
Yeah. Between New York, Atlanta, High Point, and Paris, we do buy quite a bit. It's hard to keep that website always.
Up to date. Yeah, so always basically the best thing to do is just
right.
check in
That's right.
regularly. Good.
And we do interior design. We'd be very happy to help anybody in their home and everything. If there is anything that somebody needs advice or consulting about, my mom does that quite a lot.
Fantastic.
So yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate it.
Well, you're very welcome.
Folks, make sure you check it out.
That's
when you
right.
get a chance. Right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Gluten-free.
That's the menu. Let's see.
You guys have a good one. See you around. Anything else for you?
Mm-mm.
It's going to be $28.90. And then is that going to be for here too? Thank you.
It's not me. So we just stopped at Mason's lobster rolls, and let's see what this lobster roll is giving. I'm so happy they had gluten-free bread, and it's warm and buttery.
Mason is maçon.
Maçon.
Maçon. Yeah, let me film you because
All right, Kenton's gonna get up and film me. We are actually also next to, what's this giant hotel? The Renaissance.
Yeah, we're in North Hills.
All right, this is my first time actually trying a lobster roll because I always avoided it because they would never have gluten-free bread. You know, if you're in the New England area or up north, this is something you commonly find. But in the South, this is new. Well, for a restaurant by itself. Am I procrastinating? Should I put the whole thing in my mouth, bite it? Or, or should I cut it with a fork? This is messy food. Tastes good.
Yeah. So it's a lot of lobster, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of lobster.
Yeah, so that's what makes it a better choice, this restaurant, versus some places where they kind of skimp out on the lobster.
Right.
Right.
And it is quite buttery. Of course, I miss real bread, but it is what it is.
So this is gluten-free bread, though. So you have a gluten-free option here.
Right.
Yeah, many places they don't have that option.
And not too salty. Is my mouth all greasy?
No. It's buttery.
Just like my love for you, buttery.
I don't know if that sounds right. But that's nice. I appreciate that.
All right, Ken, you can eat the rest because I can't eat all of this. It's
Too
filling.
much. So it's a pretty large roll then. Yeah.
It's quite filling. Let's see what you think.
What you need is hot sauce.
Yeah, it does maybe need some hot sauce, huh?
Yeah, we need some Louisiana hot sauce.
Oh, do you guys like Kenton's tie? You know, yellow is my favorite color. He looks so sharp in his tie. He's giving lawyer vibes. He's ready. He's ready for his lawyer job. So right, we're at the main district, North Hills, and I can't even get the full hotel in this shot. This is how big it is. This is the Renaissance Hotel. It's a nice day. It just finished raining. Actually, after we got back from church. Peloton over there, Bar Taco, which we've been to a few times. I really like it because they also have gluten-free options. So we'll probably come back around Kenton's and Kareem's graduation time. Thank you for hanging out with us. And I know this was a shorter vlog than normal, but look out for a vlog on Sunday. And definitely if you're in the Raleigh area, check out Paysage. I will leave his card on the screen. And yeah, check it out. Beautiful store. Lots of inspiration for you. And you're home. Bye!